Aam Aadmi Party quarters. Remember that Arvind Kejriwal's aide Bibhav also had faced charges against abuse assault of Swati Maliwal. And cops are hinting that there's a conspiracy behind the assault. According to Delhi Police charge sheet, we have accessed some details of it. Delhi Police appears to be indicating in that charge sheet that there could be a conspiracy behind the assault on Swati Maliwal, who coincidentally is Aam Aadmi Party's Member of Parliament, a Rajya Sabha MP, has been a close aide to Arvind Kejriwal as a fellow activist for years. Maliwal has urged police to probe into larger conspiracy behind the attack, that this was not just about an incident that happened at the Chief Minister's house, but much worse. Arvind Kejriwal was with Bibhav after the incident. Remember, they were in Lucknow when, despite the issues, Bibhav was seen alongside Arvind Kejriwal. Two Aam Aadmi Party leaders took contrary public stand, and therefore it needs to be decided what happened. So Delhi Police will be also now following up if this was a conspiracy, if this was deliberate to attack and assault Swati Maliwal. Srishti Ojha is joining me for the latest on that. Srishti, I find it very interesting that, of course, there was, while allegations of assault from Swati Maliwal that Aam Aadmi Party leaders denied, but when it comes to the investigation of it, what is the reason of this conspiracy angle?
Well, Pooja, we're talking about the Delhi Police's charge sheet against Vibhav Kumar, which India Today has exclusively accessed today. And according to the charge sheet, not only has Delhi Police said that Vibhav Kumar had beaten up Swati Maliwal mercilessly, we've now seen claims come in against Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and also Aam Aadmi Party leaders Sanjay Singh and Atishi, where police has indicated possibility of a larger conspiracy which they now want to probe. According to Delhi Police in its charge sheet, they've said that Arvind Kejriwal was with Vibhav at the scene of the crime right after the crime took place for a considerable amount of time. That, along with the fact that two Aam Aadmi Party leaders, being Sanjay Singh and Atishi, took contrary public stands on the issue, the police needs to decipher if there was a larger conspiracy behind the brutal assault of Swati Maliwal, is what they've called it. They have said that they will probe why Sanjay Singh and Atishi took different stands on the issue. Because remember, between Sanjay Singh's press conference and Atishi, we saw a change in the stand that Aam Aadmi Party had taken. They need to know what had transpired in those 72 hours that led to a diametrically opposing stand by both. So they want to see if that stand was changed after consultation or conspiracy with any other person. They will be conducting a specific supplementary investigation in this regard. And what's important here is that this is something that Swati Maliwal in her supplementary statement had told the Delhi Police, that she thinks that there's a larger conspiracy, considering that she's being attacked by her own Aam Aadmi Party leaders. She had urged the Delhi Police to probe into the larger conspiracy angle as well. According to police, they're yet to establish why and how this has happened.
This is very important, remember, because Bibhav, for all who may not know, has been the closest aide to Arvind Kejriwal, to Aam Aadmi Party as well. He may not be in the forefront, but these charges against him could actually prove to be very serious when it comes to Aam Aadmi Party or Chief Minister's office functioning as well, specifically when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal. They've known each other for a very long time, and these are serious charges. And so is Swati Maliwal. So this is, remember, very sensitive, specifically when it comes to the party. But it must be thoroughly investigated so that final conclusion can be decided on this.